Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato soup easily. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Dice the onion and mince the garlic. Ensure you have a large pot or Dutch oven ready on your stovetop. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build some foundational flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté it gently until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic. Cook for just 1 minute more until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter quickly. It's time to bring everything together. Add your 2 pounds of chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. The final step is to achieve that creamy texture. Carefully use an immersion blender directly in the pot until the soup is perfectly smooth. If you don't have one, transfer the soup in small batches to a regular blender, being cautious with hot liquids. Return the blended soup to the pot and reheat gently if necessary. Serve your delicious, homemade tomato soup warm, perhaps with a swirl of cream or fresh basil.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.